in this video, I'm going to show you the best CPA networks to get instant approval for all you beginners out there so that you don't get denied anymore because it sucks. Let's go ahead and get this money. I'm going to show you what's going on in the CPA world and how you can make lots of money doing it. And if you watch towards the end of the video, I will show you what's been working for me. Stay tuned. What's going on? Antonio Carter here. If you don't know who I am and what I do, I show you how to make money online with affiliate marketing. I'm an affiliate marketing coach. I also do SMMA. I also do, arbitrage. I do Facebook ads. I do everything to help you make money online, and lots of it. And so in this video, like I said in the beginning, I'm going to show you the top networks that help you get pre-approved, instant approval, so that you do not get denied any longer. And so right now you're looking at my YouTube, one of my YouTube videos. I did a video on how to get approved with Maxbounty. This is not going to be the same thing that I'm talking in this video. And also at the end, if you stay tuned, I'm going to show you what's been working well for me. But first, I need you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button to my channel. So I'm showing you right here. I'm just showing you my channel. Go to my videos and also drop me some comments down below because I love to reply to you guys. I love to talk. Show me some love because I'm really taking a lot of time and energy in order to put out some of this content for you guys. So please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget I have a free Bing Ads affiliate marketing ClickBank course for you guys. This is absolutely free. I've given you everything that you need to know in order to make $100 days, if not $1,000 days with your campaigns. So go ahead, check that out. The link is in the description below, along with plenty of other free things for you as well. I always give away gifts. Now, for the original reason why you are here, we're going to go over these top 5 networks that I recommend for you guys in order to get instant approvals. And so let's go ahead and jump right in it. The number one CPA network is going to be CPA Lead, and that's CPALead.com. And so CPA Lead is a very well-known network. They have great offers. They have a ton of offers. And when you apply here, it is literally an instant approval. I tried it. So if we go, give me 1 second here. I clicked off the page and I don't feel like trying to make it pop up again. But it didn't even really ask me any questions. If you guys are used to filling out forms about your websites, how many things that you've sold in the past, your experience and stuff, CPA Lead didn't ask me any of those questions. I just simply put in some information about, I believe it was my name. It might have asked me about my address or something like that. I didn't even go to approve or confirm an email, which I'm pretty sure there is one within my email, some type of link, but it instantly approved me and said, hey, you're instantly approved. And then I was able to go straight into this dashboard. So I'm able to click offers and see some stuff up. It's asking me to log in. Now you're going to be a publisher. You're not going to be an advertiser, you're going to be a publisher. I'm not going to log back in. I was trying to show you some of the offers, but I got some more content to show you guys. And this network is legit. There's some scammy, sketchy ones out there. I would highly recommend that you try CPA Lead. Now, for the next one, I am going to go over fireads.org. I don't know why it's .org because I don't think they're a nonprofit, but they have a ton of offers as well. This is one of the more up-and-coming CPA networks. Looks cool. I love the graphics. You can definitely tell the appeal is a little bit different. Fire Ads has been in the game for, I think, a little bit over 10 years, which is plenty of enough time to show that they're a legitimate network, CPA network company, affiliate network, whatever you want to call them. And I believe they have $20 payouts, if I remember correctly, which is huge. Okay, $20, a $20 payout, as in a threshold. You only have to sell $20 worth of, or make $20 worth of commission in order to get paid out. What's also cool about these guys is that they also do weekly commission or weekly payouts. A lot of the stuff that I do with Bing Ads and ClickBank, it takes them 30 days to cut me a check. They're a much bigger network. I'm cool with 30 days, but if I really, really, really just wanted my money, if let's say I had a $10,000 commission, I could get it the week of with Fire Ads, and that's phenomenal. I think that's pretty cool. That's worth noting. And so we'll go on to the next one. CPA network number 3. We got Dr. Cash, Cash Money. And so I'm already here at this part where it shows their offers. They have over 2,000 offers, close to 3,000. And they have a lot of trial offers. They're kind of known for that. If you've done anything with CPA networks, trial offers is king because they sell very well. Trial offers, I will recommend that to anybody and everybody, especially if you're a beginner. Definitely start with some trial offers. And the next thing I want to highlight here is that they are huge in the beauty and health niche. Okay, a lot of these other networks don't, some are good for gaming, some are good for make money online, gambling. Dr. Cash is great for beauty and health when it comes to their offers. Okay, which is something that I actually will be partaking in here very soon. I will be jumping into the beauty niche because I have a lot of, believe it or not, I have a lot of experience when it comes to women's products selling. I used to sell a lot of women's products. There was no trick to it. It's just had the biggest payout when I was selling. Nonetheless, let's go on to the next thing, Dr. Cash. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I need to tell you about Dr. Cash. I do have something else to tell you about Dr. Cash. The threshold is $50, and they also do weekly payouts. This is cool. I like weekly payouts, right? $50 threshold, I still believe that's pretty low, which is good. It's not like a $200 or $500 threshold where they hold your money until you make $500. It's $50. The bar is very low. Okay, and if you're good at blogging, or maybe you have a blog, or you desire to do something with blogging, Dr. Cash is the CPA network for you. All right, now let's go on to the fourth one, and we have CPA Grip. CPA Grip. This is also a very well-known CPA network. Already right here, you can look and see that they are great with all things in technology. It says right here, choice for content publishers, website owners, and app developers. So that lets you know already the type of people that they work with. Okay, now they could be talking about advertisers with that nice little bold print right there as well, but you already see whether it's for the publisher or for the advertiser, those are your main areas. Okay, if your products or if your desire is to make money in those type of industries, then guess what? You're probably going to fare well with CPA Grip. Now, I believe the threshold for these guys is $50, and I believe that they pay out once a month. It's kind of a downside compared to everybody else, but you have to kind of remember, if you're getting denied by a lot of these other CPA networks that require you to talk about your experience, and you have no experience, especially if you're a beginner, it's totally worth it to do this. Sign up for a network, get some experience, get some sales, and even if it takes 30 days, which is a month, to pay out, it's totally fine. All right, don't be so picky. Don't be bougie about this stuff. Just sign up for these networks, see what type of products they have, promote them, make some money, and get paid. That's what I'm all about. And now drum roll, the last CPA network with instant approvals, so you don't get denied. For beginners with the CPA network marketing or CPA marketing is, I don't know how to pronounce it. It's either Mobidea or Mobidea. It's one of them. Mobidea. But this is the last company that I think is in the top 5 when it comes to instant approvals. Okay, these guys are definitely legit. They are, in my opinion, taking over. These guys are taken over probably by accident. And when I say that, it's because they do a lot of things with mobile, not desktop. They do a lot of mobile ads, which means they have the, in my opinion, the ability to go viral with a lot of their things. They're more trendy, I guess. Trendy is more so the word rather than viral. And so if you have a lot of offers that are on mobile phone, that means you're dealing with a lot of young people, which means you're dealing with a lot of clicks and a lot of traffic. So these guys really cater towards mobile ads. And as you see, weekly payments, I hear their tracking systems is very good. And I think their threshold is $50 as well. But they're also very good with giving you extra content. Extra help with, the affiliate, I'm thinking affiliate mentors, but that's not the word, like affiliate managers and stuff. They just have plenty of other information to help you succeed, because when you succeed, they succeed. All right. So hopefully that helps you guys. Go to these websites right now, sign up for them, get instant approved, and go make some money. You have no excuse anymore. All right. So the last thing that I'm going to tell you how I've been making money. If you guys, I have a small little webinar that is below the video. So go ahead and click that link, which is my #1 recommended source of making money online. Okay. It's things that I teach in my business, and I'm trying to alleviate teaching and help recommend somebody else who believes the same thing with the same principles and the same stuff that I believe in when teaching. Okay, because I got a baby girl now. It's not that easy to schedule time and coach everybody. But go ahead and click that link below. It involves affiliate marketing, because I do a lot of affiliate marketing. It involves getting your own traffic. It involves email. If you're interested in making $5,000 to $10,000 months, instead of just kind of going at CPA networks, which you can make a lot of money. I currently just did a case study using Bing ads. Okay, remember there's a free course that I have down below. I used Bing ads and ClickBank in order to show you how to make $100 days. I went from scratch, like absolutely nothing, and I produced a profitable campaign for you guys. You can do that with my Bing ads video course for free. You can walk through that. But if that's something, if you're looking more so of how to make your $5,000 to $10,000 months on a recurring cycle, I would advise you to also check out the little link that I have for my #1 recommendation, or my #1 recommended course of what I would use as well. So please give me a thumbs up to this video. Go ahead and subscribe. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have any questions or comments, please drop that down below. No smarty pants, because I don't respond to you guys. You really don't bother me with your smarty. Yeah, anyway, I can just delete your comments if I really want to, but I want healthy conversation in the comments, please. So I love to talk back to you guys. I love to reply. Let me know if this was helpful, and if there's any other type of videos that I can make for you guys. All right, we'll talk to you guys later.